Hello, today I'm making a simple stir-fry French beans with minced pork recipe. This was one of my favorite dishes growing up. Even my nephew who doesn't eat vegetables can eat a ton of this. First, cut the beans into small cubes and set aside. In a wok, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Add some minced garlic. Fry the garlic until fragrant. Mix the meat with the garlic so that the garlic doesn't burn. Then leave the meat to cook on one side to make it fragrant. Turn the meat over and let it cook on the other side. Once the meat is cooked, add the beans. Toss a few times. Then add light soy sauce and oyster sauce. Then season with some salt and sugar. Hope you enjoy this dish as much as I do. See you next time.